What's up, guys? It's me, Aiden boy. Yeah, 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 yeah. It is me. Yeah, yeah. It is me. Yeah, what's up, guys? It's me, Aiden, and today we're going to be playing Plants vs Zombies Part 2. Part 2. Yeah. Brains. Yeah, I know. You're obsessed with brains. Yeah, and the shovel is right here, so I can do whatever I want. Give me another sun. Thank you. Please give me sun. Yeah, well, guys, I am a bit worried here. Okay. Yeah, you guys see, I've been exercising a lot at this game. I've been working a lot of this game, so I know how to play it like full now. Yeah, you will buy it. Yeah, it's very nice to actually know how to play the game now. Yeah, guys, there's 2 waves, so you guys don't need to worry. You guys are gonna get to that part, and yeah, I exploded to somebody. I actually was meant to also explode that one, but didn't do it, so yeah. Okay. Here is the part I'm gonna show you what I used to do. Yes, okay, here it starts, okay. yeah, you guys see what it does? It's very good, guys. Yeah, it's very fun to play this with you guys. I promise you, it's very fun. Bro, I love you guys. Slow down. You're gonna explode. No, you're not. You're still gonna die. And this is my favorite part. Okay, yeah. There's coming 3 guys. Oh my god. Oh my, yeah. Yeah. Give me more, give me more, give me more. Yeah, I'm very concentrated right now, guys. like that, guys. Oh my god. What in the whole entire world? Oh my god. I'm so lucky. Oh my god. Yeah, what's up? Welcome to the world, young boy. Yeah, and this is a chomper. It like eats up. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that. Yeah, and these are more powerful now. So yeah, be a bit careful. But there is not any like jumping over plant zombies, so I don't need this one. But yeah, Buckethead, it's yeah, double of this and this is double of this and this is double of that. Yeah. Okay, so we need that. I'm not sure. Yes, I am sure we need that. Okay, that's everything we need for this run. Oh my god. Maybe I can do a third. I don't know. I think it's more useful, guys, if we do a third. Yeah, I think it is. Okay.
We're coming.
Okay, so yeah, I think so. 2 rows again. Later I'll like do 3 rows when it's like more challenging, because it's just one wave at this one. So yeah. Oh no, why did I do that? That's so good. Oh my god. And I watched the Mario movie. It was good. Yeah, it's good. You better watch it yourself. Yeah. The Mario movie. Yeah, here we're not so lucky. Yeah, I feel in myself that we need one of those. Like, this will take ages. Oh my god, why is there already 2 cone heads in a row also? Bro. No. No, that was so useful. Oh no, I need to take away those 2 guys. I'm so sorry I did that. Oh my god, that was... I don't have anything there. Okay, so here might be a problem. Yeah, well, I think we need to do that. Yeah, I'm totally sure we need to do that. Okay. Yeah, well, that was not so good. Yeah. Yes, please. Okay. Yes, please. I did not know they were gonna start that early, so... yeah. Okay, yeah, like that. Here we go. Okay, the jumper. Let's see what you do. Yeah. Yes, now you know. Now you guys know. Checkmate. Yeah. That's what he does. Yeah. Just keeps on hitting. Yeah, I can already buy these because I buy them. Who cares? That was unuseful, but... don't you dare eat him up. Okay, he's low at least, but I think he will survive. Okay, a huge wave also. Guys, this is not good. It's... but they actually does it 2 times. Yeah, they do it 2 times. Just shoot. They do like that. So yeah, we really need this. Do we need that though? I think so. Yeah, we can go with this. This is a fine set. Oh, the flower is very far away. Yeah. So I need to do like that all the time. Oh my god. I swear one time I'm gonna accidentally do like this. Oh no. I'm more used to do over there, but let's just do like that. Yeah, I'm being smart brain now. Okay, we need 3 rows of, yeah, suns. So we can get this, yeah, and we really need this. Okay. Yeah, we only need 2 rows of those, but yeah. Now this is where we need to, a new zombie is gonna go in a different place. Okay, over here. Okay, checkmate. Like that jumping guy, please don't spawn right now. Okay. Here is trouble. Yeah, give me two. Yes, okay. Yes, guys. We're so lucky. Okay. I need some more plants until we actually start to get more. Yeah, I need the plant over here. Yeah, I told you guys. Yeah, okay. I knew he was like gonna come right now. So yeah, I was ready with it. I was ready. No, you ain't taking that. Okay, now we can start with a row because we have all the years. I still promised you guys. Yeah. Jesus. Oh, here it is. Yeah, okay, we have it. Repeater. Pea shooter. Repeater. Here we go. This is what it does. Yeah, it does 2 times. 1, 2. Yeah, that's sick, guys. Right? Oh my god. Yeah, and here we need one of those. Yeah, you're not trouble. Yeah, look, it does 2 times. Isn't that sick? Yeah, it does 4. Oh my god. 4 over here. 4. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, this is very fun. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man, I have so many sons. Here. Son means 2 stuff. Yeah, like, this is my son. Here it goes. Yeah, 4. Yeah, I like that. I like that. 4, 8. Oh my god. Now, yeah, and here there is a little bit trouble. Take away this one. I can't even do it right now. A huge wave is starting. Oh, they can defeat my wave then. Oh my god. Yeah, like that, like that. Oh my god. Look, okay. What is this? What is this? I know, but I'm just trying to be dramatic. For you guys maybe don't know, but here we start. See you guys next video.